trying to be as close to you as I can.
Good morning. Today is Thursday, February 5th, February 6th, 2025. We're here out at Hexter, and this is a before video of the starboard side of the rudder, the props, and the keel coolers for Miss Carolyn Louise. So that was the starboard side. We went ahead and we went the whole length of the hull just to make sure we didn't miss any other important components. So we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning the keel cooler, and then we'll go to the prop, and then the rudder.